Welcome to our video guide on the process of buying a house in Canada. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to invest in real estate, this comprehensive video will walk you through the essential steps involved in purchasing a house in Canada. If you like our video or efforts, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below. Let's get started. 1. Determine your budget. Before starting the home buying process, it's important to assess your financial situation and determine how much you can afford to spend on a house. Consider factors such as your income, savings, and any pre-approved mortgage amount you may have. 1. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. It's recommended to get pre-approved for a mortgage from a lender before house hunting. This process involves providing your financial information to the lender, who will evaluate your creditworthiness and provide a conditional commitment for a loan amount. 2. Find a real estate agent. Engage the services of a licensed real estate agent who specializes in the area where you want to buy a house. They will help you search for properties, schedule viewings, and negotiate on your behalf. 3. Begin house hunting. Work closely with your real estate agent to view properties that meet your criteria. Attend open houses or schedule private showings to assess the condition, location, and suitability of each property. 4. Make an offer. When you find a house you want to purchase, your real estate agent will help you prepare an offer to purchase. This document outlines the price you're willing to pay, any conditions or contingencies, and the proposed closing date. The seller can either accept, reject, or counter your offer. 5. Arrange a home inspection. Once your offer is accepted, it's advisable to hire a professional home inspector to assess the condition of the property. The inspection helps identify any potential issues or necessary repairs. 6. Secure financing. After your offer is accepted, you'll need to finalize your mortgage financing with the lender. Provide any additional documents required by the lender and complete the necessary paperwork. 7. Complete the legal process. Engage a real estate lawyer or notary public to handle the legal aspects of the transaction. They will review the purchase agreement, conduct a title search, prepare the necessary documents, and facilitate the transfer of funds. 8. Obtain home insurance. Prior to the closing date, arrange for home insurance to protect your property against potential risks and liabilities. 9. Close the deal. On the closing date, your lawyer and notary will coordinate the transfer of funds from your lender and complete the necessary paperwork. Once all the legal requirements are fulfilled, you'll receive the keys to your new home. Thank you for watching our comprehensive video guide on buying a house in Canada. We hope this information has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the home buying process successfully. Remember, buying a house is a significant decision, and it's essential to seek professional advice and conduct thorough research specific to your circumstances and the region you're interested in. Best of luck on your journey to homeownership in Canada. May your new house be filled with joy, warmth, and countless memories for years to come. Thank you again for watching, liking, and subscribing. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you on your journey towards homeownership.